afternoon, good night, wherever you are. So today's vlog is gonna be just me going a few places that I have some things I have to do. I'm on my way to go drop off my son right now. So once I'm done dropping off my son at school, then I'll be heading to the places that I have to go. So yeah, I'm there. Thank God for waking me up this morning. He has blessed me in a marvelous way. I couldn't imagine, because the best thing is life. Okay. Yes, baby? Are you done? I'm drinking tea? Okay. My son like his morning tea. That's when he drinks tea, basically. He's almost 3 in March. In March he's gonna be 3. Come, give me. Thank you. March is gonna be 3. So we're kind of cutting down on certain things. I'm eating a lot more food now. And yeah. So yeah, outside cool, man. Outside cool. Yeah, so we're cutting down on the farmer, like in the morning and only in the night when he's going to bed, and you know, food and snacks in between that. Cloud electric. Lights are go. Go better go up on one more light. And now, yes, so thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do, because if you not subscribe, you miss out on a lot. Right? Please subscribe and do like. So hey people, so there. I'm here at Valley Village. See, this is what I said. Yeah. I'm here at Valley Village, just picking up something for the hubby. He wants something for his gaming video, so that's what I'm here to do. So yeah, everybody, Valley Village is the best, you know. So that's what I'm doing. Just here. Look around here. I see what I can see. I'm just looking like for a material, piece of material. So I'm looking for. Material. That's what I'm looking for. That's what he wants. But I don't really see any. The color that he wants. Okay, so I'm finished at Valley Village for today. What I'm going to do next is I am going to stop by my fitness gym at a gym close by me, because normally I was using my friend's gym card, because you're able to do that with this gym. If you can see behind me here, you can see it Fit for Less. It's $10 a month, yeah, for a 1-year membership. So I am going to do my own. Yes, I probably do a little clip of inside if they allow me to. But yeah, that's the gym there. It's pretty, it's good. It's good. So I don't know if you guys can see me properly because there's a light above, but here I'm going to sign up with this gym. It's like a cheaper gym, so if you can see all those workout stuff and people working out, right? So I'm gonna do my sign up. A person don't actually sign you up. You can do this over online or on this little booth that they have here. They have about 2 of them. So I'm just gonna sign up right here. I'm just choosing the $4.99 one every 2 weeks, so that's $10 a month. So for the year, and you're going to be locked in for 1 year, so it's going to be $182 with the $45 admission fee. Yes, sign up fee, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna sign up. Alright. Yes. Okay, so I'm done with the gym. I wasn't able to sign up because their system was down, because I filled out the forms online and everything, proceeding to paying. It did not work, so I have to go do online at home, and when I'm going to the gym I pick up the card. So I'm very sad about that, because we did try a lot to get that working, some light in them face. But yeah, I'm at the dollar store now. As you can see, I'm just picking up a few stuff. I'm looking at some nail polish here, and them have a nice color selection, man. Let me show you. Nice color selections. Look at those colors there. Green, orange, blue. Oh, can I like this blue? Oh, this blue's nice. Yeah, but I'm not gonna buy any. I'm trying my best not to. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pick up a few. Could I get could I get the spicy jalapeno chicken burger, but could I get no bun and just have it wrapped with lettuce, please?
You want it lettuce wrapped?
Yes, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, just that.
Take them up to the window, please.
Okay. So yes, I am on the road and I'm buying fast food, but I'm buying wisely. So I'm just gonna have a chicken sandwich with a lettuce wrap, no bun, so no carbs. Right. Well, there's carbs, but the bun has the most carbs in it, so that's what I'm purchasing. And what, I'm on A&W. Yeah, A&W. Yeah, I like their burger here and their chicken sandwich. It tastes really good compared to McDonald's that is across the road. So yes, I'm just finished at the dollar store. Pick up a few things. Yeah, for some reason the video I can see that get too long. I'm gonna make it short. On my way now to Superstore. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try to do this quick. I'm going to try to do it quickly as possible, because I have to go pick up my son by 3 o'clock the latest, and then go pick up my hubby by 3:30. Yeah, but I just no, at 1 o'clock I have an alarm on my phone that tells me when my fast is, I'm supposed to break my fast. So at 1 o'clock basically I was supposed to break my fast, but it's fine if I go over. Yeah, it's fine.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these
What are you doing? I just got home. I did my trip up Superstore and then went to pick up my husband, then pick up my son. And now we went somewhere that took up so much time. We didn't expect it to take up so much time. So now I'm home, putting away the grocery. When I wash the clothes, I'll probably do a video about that. I was gonna make a video about the stuff that I got from Valley Village, but maybe not, depending. So yeah, I'm just here unpacking and doing some laundry. Then I'm just gonna quickly put on something on the fire because by 9 o'clock is my cutoff. What time is it? It's like 7. No, 9 o'clock is my cutoff time for eating. Then I'll be back on my fasting. Zimmy. So yeah, just ending the vlog. Maybe I end it now, or maybe not. I'll probably show you what I make for dinner. You think so? Yeah, maybe.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not